Hi, this is week 5, discussion 2, and for the purposes of this class, I have chosen to take the opposite point of the view and make a case for same-sex marriage as the prompt in the assignment outlines. This is not my personal view, this is just for educational purposes and for my 5 points. So, same-sex marriage happens today, and we all know someone that is involved with someone of the same sex. The Bible supports loving relationships embedded with compassion. However, biblical scriptures are left to interpretation if not read properly. And given today's world and our accepting culture, I will present support for same-sex marriage. Marriage is about the unity between two people that are equally in love, stimulated by a per se contract with each other, and therefore the two people should not be indicted to who that relationship should be between. All married individuals should have the same rights to pay taxes, make medical decisions for one another, and act like a family unit, no matter their sex. It's about the acknowledgement of unity between two people and a way to encourage with society as a registered unit. As Balswick and Balswick point out, marriage can provide emotional and economic stability, which benefits the family unit, children, and the society as well. Our government weighs in on this topic and believes our country is founded on life, liberty, and pursuit of happiness. So therefore, same-sex individuals that want to be married have the right to do and celebrate their love together. I'm going to read some scriptures that could support gay marriage, but I highly encourage going back and reading through all the scriptures to really get the historical times and accounts happening out there correctly, just having all the knowledge and not just reading these out of nowhere and then taking it and then supporting your whatever stance you have on it, like I'm doing right now for this. So in Genesis 1:27 it reads, "So God created man in his own image, in the image of God he created him, male and female, and he created them." This verse clearly talks about equal dignity and the value of all people regardless of sexual orientation. In Galatians 3:28, the scripture reads, there's neither Jew nor Greek. There is neither slave nor free. There is no male and female. You are all one in Jesus Christ. This passage speaks to how when Christ dies, all are equal, which supports the theory of same-sex marriage with equal treatment in any kind of marriage regardless of sexual orientation. And in Acts 10:34-35 it reads, "So Peter opened his mouth and said, truly I understand that God shows no particularity, but in every nation anyone who fears him and does what is right is acceptable to him." This verse truly shows God's acceptance of all who fear him and live in his way, no matter backgrounds nor circumstances. Thank you for listening. Once again, please go back and actually read the scriptures start to finish to really get the full context of it. Thank you. I'm looking forward to everyone else's thoughts on this discussion.